Learn how to pack a healthier school lunch using Health Star ratings in under 2 minutes. Health Star ratings are a government initiative. They're rated from 0.5 to 5 depending on the nutritional value of the food. So for lower nutritional value, there's a lower star number. The higher the stars, the more nutritional value that the food has. Health Star ratings make it easier for mums to know the nutritional value of the food at a glance. If you have a look here, this little bag of popcorn has a nutritional value of 4, perfect for school lunches. When looking at the Health Star rating, there's also additional nutritional information to the side. So you can find out energy, fats, sugars and sodiums just at a glance. So I went to Woolworths this morning and shopped according to the Health Star rating. Made it much easier to shop. I kind of struggle with the nutritional panel. It can be really hard to read. It just makes it really quick and easy. And I know for packaged goods, I can shop and make sure I've got the most nutritionally valued food for my boys for their school lunch. So this is a quick, easy and nutritious lunchbox I've made for the kids. So there's popcorn, the yummy cheese, I've sampled it myself, a wholemeal ham wrap, the chocolate milk, which has a 4.5 Health Star rating, which is very impressive. The yogurt, which you can freeze so it'll keep cool in the school lunches, muesli bar, cheese sticks and assortment of fruit. So if you have trouble shopping for nutritious food for your kids, look for the Health Star rating. They're on the front of all the food and it makes it quick and easy to make a nutritious lunch for your kids in under 2 minutes.